Also 7 or 10 days before, if you have a habit of smoking, please cut it down, because it also aggravates the pitta dosha and it will imbalance it, and that will ultimately cause this pains in periods. And excessive alcohol drinking also, you need to reduce it, because it also cause vata aggravation and pitta aggravation, and ultimately it will cause premenstrual syndrome. In addition to that, for these 7 to 8 days, you need to take more of soup diet, because soup diet is easy to digest, and if possible try to avoid meat in these days, because this meat diet is heavy to digest, and this raw diet, it is vata aggravating. So raw diet also you need to avoid. Try to have cooked soups and fruits, because fruits in the raw form, but ripe fruits, seasonal fruits, they are very beneficial to go through this phase efficiently. When you take light food, and then it can also help you to overcome this bloating, bloated stomach which you feel. This happens when you are taking excess food and it is not fully digested, because your digestive fire goes low, and that cause bloating and unnecessary discomfort in the stomach, and that also leads to constipation. So if you are focusing on your diet, you will not land into constipation. Regarding that, what you need to do, you can have a good bowl of fruits, little bit sprout quantity, also make it less during these days, because sprouts are also difficult to digest because they are uncooked. At the same time, salads you can have, but not excess salads. You need to have cooked food, it is must. Especially some cooked vegetables, cooked soups, they are very beneficial during these days, and hot. Try to avoid all the things that are from refrigerator, because when you take refrigerator things, they are very vata aggravating, and they are not so healthy. And they are difficult to digest, and they do not have so much nutrition value. So try to cook food whenever it is possible, and try to consume it within 3 hours of cooking, so that it does not lose its nutritious value, and it will nurture you. And if you have no idea what to cook, how to cook some vegetarian food, so there is a link below. You can click on that link, how to cook these green grams or rajma. These both are vata aggravating, but if you use garlic, they will not aggravate vata that much. So this is how we have cooked it. You can click on these videos and you can make use of soup of these. But make sure they should be cooked properly, because if they are uncooked, they will aggravate vata in a big way. So make sure like they are totally cooked, like you just put in mouth and they melt. So that level cooking should be needed. In addition to that, if you start using soaked resin for these 5 to 7 days, these are very beneficial. How to soak resin and how they are beneficial, there is a link below, how to eat raisins. So you can click on that link and you can figure out how to use raisins early morning. They are very beneficial for these premenstrual problems, because they are more of cooling potency, they are not hot in potency. So it helps in balancing your pitta dosha. In addition to that, there is Triphala Churna, it is very beneficial, but definitely many people do not get the original one, and if you want to know from where you can have original one, you please write it down. We will let you know from which pharmacy you can have, so that you will get the original product, because there is no point if you are taking something which has adulterations, then it will not yield any benefit. It is very important if you keep your intestine clean during these days. Otherwise, because if it is constipation or something, it will aggravate the pain to a more level. So it is very important, like you keep your digestive system clean during these days, and you can keep it clean if you take more of soups in your diet, and more of especially of vegetables and seasonal vegetables, that would be more beneficial for you. In addition to that, you need to do certain exercises, pranayamas, it's very important. You need to go for a walk definitely, and you need to keep yourself stress free. These things though are very important. And if you are feeling these fever kind of symptoms, sometimes a lot of heat like aggravated pitta dosha happens in the system just before periods. So if you are take diet that will balance your pitta dosha, means that the diet which is cooling in potency, that does not mean you will start having ice cream. No, ice cream is hot in potency, just cool for the tongue. So these things try to avoid. Try to have more soups, that would be more helpful for you, because they are vata balancing, and at the same time they are highly nutritious. So this will help you more. But you need to change your routine little bit, and you need to become little bit conscious about thing, and then you will start seeing like slowly and slowly this premenstrual syndrome is going away from your life, and your periods will become healthy and pain free. So that's all for today's video. If you have any question regarding this, you please write down to us. I will answer your questions in the best possible way. And if you're watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please click the bell icon, hit the subscribe button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and don't forget to share. Bye.